Tired of eating the same boring food every day? Forget it! Watch how to turn regular sweets and snacks into creative food in a new video. The blue-eyed girl welcomes her friend after a long trip. Dolly's had a nice vacation, and she doesn't come empty-handed. Look into your pocket. The blue-eyed girl finds a tiny box of nerds in her overalls pocket. Take 2 fondant pieces of different colors. Pinch off small pieces and roll teeny candies. Make a mini package. Make 2 sections inside. Put the candies of each color into a different section. The Nerds candies are so tiny, and there are few of them, so the blue-eyed girl puts the candies onto her palm and eats all of them at once. Oops, that's it! Well, Dolly takes out a box of regular candies. Take more! Emma has prepared something special, a big Chupa Chups. She just has to wrap it. But all of a sudden, a phone call distracts her. Melt 15 ounces of strawberry chocolate glaze. Add 1 spoonful of caramel crumbs. Put the mixture into a semi-sphere mold and spread it over evenly. Make 2 of the same details. Attach a balloon stick holder to 1 semi-sphere with the glaze. Let it harden. Join the 2 ball halves. Cut out a notch at the joining using a heated knife. Apply a layer of the melted glaze and attach the details. Scrape off the excess glaze on the seam and coat it with the glaze. Let it harden and smooth out with a hot spoon. Wrap up the candy in a colorful wrapping foil. Linda finds a big, beautiful package. I wonder what my friend is hiding in here. Wow, it's a giant Chupa Chups! And it's not a regular one. It's made from chocolate. Exactly what I love. But it's a pity that I've run out of it so fast. Well, I need to disguise the missing candy. Excellent, the fruit will do. Let's add the stick on top. Emma finds her candy on the table, but she feels something is wrong. There's a fruit basket inside instead of her Chupa Chups. Teeny cheese nachos are the cutest food in the world. Grate cheese finely. Arrange it into small piles on parchment paper. And melt it in a microwave. Cut out a paper template out of a small box. Assemble the package and put the mini cheese chips into the box. Dolly can't keep her eyes off her mini nachos. These babies are so cute! Tiny crunchy chips. How can I resist this temptation? Redhead is shocked. Her friend reached a point where she's talking to food. But Dolly wants to make her friend love these teeny chips too. My cheese precious! Oh, this food love will do her no good. Redhead and I are enjoying a fascinating movie, except that someone is taking my popcorn all the time. She won't get away with it. I conjure the smallest cup of popcorn for her. Draw a popcorn template on white paper. Cut it out and make cuts across the allowance. Fold the flaps, roll up, and also form a cup. Attach the bottom. Print a small label and tape it on. Cut popcorn into small pieces and put it into the mini cup. Add small 3D glasses to complete the image. Redhead must have gotten into a Lilliput movie theater. Otherwise, how can you explain the mini glasses and the tiny popcorn? This set is only for short films. This popcorn certainly won't be enough for a motion picture. The blue-eyed girl is doing her makeup. She sees Dolly in the mirror. Her sneaky friend sits on the sofa holding a huge choco pie in her hands. The blue-eyed girl turns around and the choco pie shrinks as if by magic. She looks into the mirror again and sees the giant chocolate in it. Dolly tears the wrapper apart. She's going to eat this chocolate treasure. We will need 5 cold eggs. Separate the whites from the yolks. Add a pinch of salt to the whites. Start beating the whites at a slow speed, increasing it gradually. Add half a cup of sugar when the whites turn into a foam, and keep on beating at the highest speed until forming peaks. Whip the yolks, only increasing the speed in the same way. Be sure to double the volume. Add half a cup of sugar and keep on beating. Join the yolks and whites carefully. Mix by moving the mass from the bottom to the top with a silicone spatula. Add half a cup of flour. Mix it. Put in a half cup more. Put parchment paper onto the removable bottom of a pie pan. Put in the dough. Spread it evenly. Heat an oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the sponge cake for 30 to 40 minutes. Cut the sponge cake when it cools down. Cover 1/2 with marshmallow and put it into a microwave for 1 minute. Put on the other half. Let's make glaze. Melt 7 ounces of chocolate. Add 2 ounces of butter. Stir until it melts completely. Cover the sponge with the glaze. Wait for the chocolate to harden, turn it over, and spread the glaze over the other half. Cover the sides. Let it sit in a fridge for 20 minutes. Join the 2 pieces of colored paper with double-sided tape. Turn it over and glue food foil to the other side. Attach a big cookie label to the colored side. Make the wrapper. Put in the giant cookie pie. Trim the edges. The blue-eyed girl turns around to see Dolly. What's wrong? The chocolate pie is small again. The blue-eyed girl is fed up with this puzzle, so she decides to figure out what's going on here. Dolly tears apart a miniature choco pie wrapper, pouring pill-sized cookies onto her palm. Spray City Mini Flakes with water. Press small marshmallows with your fingers to flatten them. Use a wide drinking straw to cut circles out of damp flakes. Melt milk chocolate and spread it into small circles on parchment paper. Put the round flakes on top. Then put the flattened marshmallows and then the flake circles again. Cover the mini sandwiches with the melted chocolate. Let it cool down in a fridge. Make a miniature cookie box out of a printed out package. Take the tiny cookies from the parchment paper. It's not that easy to fool the blue-eyed girl. Don't trick me! Take away these chocolate pills and take out the giant choco pie. Dolly just wanted to prank her friend. She takes out the giant sponge cake and gives it to the blue-eyed girl. Emma keeps playing her phone games. So boring! Besides, she gets on my nerves by eating my snacks. I've got a special gift for those who keep ignoring their friends. Cut pretzel sticks into small pieces. Cover a mini package with clear tape. Form the bag and trim the edges. Put in the mini snack and close the bag. It seems the mini pretzel sticks managed to distract my friend for some time, but only for a moment. Soon she returns to her game. Then the whole mini snack is mine. Let my friend eat regular boring sticks. Did you like the creative food ideas? Then write in your comments what impressed you the most and which of the ideas you'd like to carry out. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new amazing videos on the Troom channel.